then the one likes, you know, the pork like that. The one doesn't like ista, ista. Like that. And then the one like Jollibee. And then the one like, you know, the one, oh, I love you, and give ista. Now for you, it's for them, it's they love me, and then so give ista. But for me, it's hard to eat, you know, the ista. Like that. So it's, you know, it's hard to, the love is different. Love is different. Or also in the God, when you see the God, if you love me, keep the law, keep the law. Have a heart here.
Asin.
Cannot digest well.
Ay, hindi maka-digest. May problema sa panunaw. Hindi matunawan ng maayos. Ayun, yung bata. The baby one. This one. Masakit. Ayun.
Mind basic. Mind not clear.
Magulo ang isip, magulo. Magulo ang isip. Yan. Yung mata. Bagay, nagapangindat.
Hard time pupo. Hard time pupo.
Mahirap magpupo.
Quality.
Nagsusuka. Nagsusuka?
Pagod and then want to stay in the bed.
Dahil sa pagod, gusto niya na lang na manatiling nakahiga. Ayun.
Asin.
Acid!
Masakit up here.
Masakit!
Body heavy.
Ha?
Body heavy.
Mabigat ang katawan!
Masakit up here.
Yun, masakit.
Cannot eat well.
Hindi
Cannot
makakain
picky. Cannot eat well.
because of picky.
Cannot eat well.
Hindi makakain na siya ng maayos. Siguro maano sa pagkain, mapili, ganon. Gusto ng karne at saka ano, tandok sa Jollibee.
Backbone pain.
Ha?
Backbone pain.
Backbone pain. mabilis. Mabilis siyang magising. Ayun. Hilaw ang tulog.
Feeling negative.
Feeling,
Negative.
feeling negative.
And press down.
Yun, parang na-press down siya.
When you pee, masakit.
Pag umiihi, masakit. Pag umiihi, masakit. Ayun. Naaway ang mama niya.
When I satisfy this place, want to go somewhere.
Hindi siya mapakali sa kanyang lugar. Gusto niya umaalis siya lagi. Ha?
Sometimes they want to go somewhere.
Isa ng isip niya, gusto niyang gumala kung saan-saan. Layas.
Too much, he want to follow others.
Gusto niya.
In the Facebook, in the watching like that, and then want to follow magandang sunglass, and then be like that.
Gusto niyang makasunod sa uso kung ano yung nakikita niya sa Facebook. Parang gusto niya na maging ganun din siya na may ganon. Sino yon? Ayan! Mga fans!
Yeah, this is not the scene, and then because they have they own the property, right? And then they have a different.
They have own identity.
Yeah, but you know they cannot satisfy, and they told that this is the scene.
Hindi daw maganda yun. Meron kayo sariling identity galing kayo. Ha? Masyadong ano doon, ha?
Because of that, borrow money and do this, borrow money and do this. It's
Kasi baka mamaya magkaroon kayo ng isip na dahil gusto mo makasunod doon, mangungutang ka, pwede kang mamupit sa nanay mo dahil gusto mo bumili nun. Yun.
it's okay.
Oo, bad yun. Ha, kumare, huwag kayo susunod doon. Ha?
That is
Oo.
stop.
Oo.
And then always keep through the feet with the fresh water, the spiritual water, and then give you power and way. Stand the check.